Welcome back, amazing kids. We are thrilled to have you here for part 2 of our fantastic Scratch project journey. In the first part, we explored some awesome projects that got your coding adventure started. Now get ready for the next 5 Scratch projects that will take your coding skills to a new height. It's time to dive into more creativity and fun. So, let's jump right in.
Now, project number 6 is weather simulator. So, want to be a weather expert? You can create your own weather forecast and even make it interactive. It's like being a weather scientist and learning how to show it with code. So, let's try to run this one. So, here if I click on rain, it's showing the rain. That's awesome. I click on grassy. I click on desert. Stop the rain and it's showing desert. I click on snow, it's snowing. And if I click on thunder, okay, thunder. So you can try this. You just need to click on different sprites. Just need to click on these different sprites, and whenever you click on those, we need to add these effects. Now project number 7 is storytelling project. Now let's dive into storytelling. You can create your own digital stories with sprites and backgrounds. It's just combination of these different backgrounds and the characters with some digital storytelling twist. So let's try to run this. So it's all black. Who turned on the lights? Happy birthday, Scratch Cat. Yeah. You can also add a happy birthday background sound in this project. It's a funny twist over here. So Gobo is here inside the cake. And that's the best surprise ever. So it's just showing. Here two girls are talking. I didn't see you there. I would never think you will live on a hilltop. So how's life? So we can see they are talking. This is for 4 seconds and then it is waiting for 4 seconds. So after each 4 seconds they are talking with each other, so that we have time to read this conversation, and so that each of them gets a chance to talk, and after that particular sprite has completed the conversation, the second one will start talking. Let's see one more storytelling project. Here we can see. So here we can see lion is walking in jungle. Polar region, desert area, jungle. Why have you come to me? Talking with the unicorn. Nice background music is added here. Now project number 8 is maths quiz. So It might be maths or it can be anything, like any different topic you want. Like maths can be fun, especially when you turn it into a quiz game. You learn about many different things while having a great time using all these skills, right? So let's try to run this one. So here you can just say that you're asking some questions. If you want something related to addition, you can add here. The questions will get harder and harder. So 9 plus 2, 11. You're right. 19. So here you can see it's asking different set of questions, and let's try to just check out the code once. So here we can see we have added when green flag is clicked, and we are just starting the score to from 0, and we are just saying hello, and we are giving the rules over here, and we are using ask and wait block. Okay, so the ask and wait block is from sensing. So you can use this particular block and then add the question and wait for the answer. So here you can get a window where we can just type the answer, and using that answer as a variable we will use it. And so if that particular condition is correct, then we will say that it is correct, otherwise we will say in the else that it is incorrect. We have already done a Ganesha's quiz in our channel, so I'll just share the link of this project as well. So let's try to run this one. So not necessarily that we have to use the maths quiz, you can add any general knowledge quiz as well. So what is Ganesha's favorite sweet? So modak. So it's mouse. So Parvati. So similarly you can just go through this and try this. So let's try just one more variation. So here we can see this quiz has different set of questions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, algebra. So you can select whatever you want, and those set of questions with the level of difficulty you can change and add. Okay, so how many questions you want, so you can add those. So all these levels you can add. You can go through that, the links in the description. So according to the complexity the code will change. You can start with a simple quiz and then go on adding the variations in that. Project number 9 is digital art gallery. So if you are into art, you can make your own digital art gallery. Your drawings will come to life with animation. It's like being an artist and a coder at the same time. So let's try to run this one. So when we click on the arrow, you can see different images over here. You can go back, you can go forward. So in this way you can use a slideshow. You can use your photos and make a slideshow. So here we can see if we tap on this one, the music is getting stopped as well. So and finally the project number 10 is dance party. Are you ready to dance? You can create your own dance party with cool moves and music. You'll learn about choreography, timing, and making your own dance routine. So let's get started. awesome, isn't it? So let's go one by one. So we have all these 4 sprites. So for the dinosaur, we are just changing the costumes and we are gliding them. And we are just changing the costume and we are moving it to the next costume and we are animating it. So here we have all these costumes. So when we move this one by one, we will get animation effect. So all these bubbles are changing the colors. And for elephant as well, we are animating it. We are just moving those costumes. And for penguin as well, we are moving the costumes and waiting for 0.4 seconds. And we can add a nice background music to it, and here we go. That's for the dance party.
So, there you have it. The top 10 Scratch projects to start your coding journey with a bang. We hope you are as excited as we are. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the next adventure.